Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome to our 10th episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamond. And guys, I know this episode will be hard and trigger warning to all who paano ba? Parang mas sasabihin to, who suffers from mental health, anxiety, depression. If you needed help, don't hesitate to look for a friend or to look for help in general. So, I know this episode will be so hard to react and siguro feeling ko iiyak lang ako dito. But let's just start and let the pain ends in 3, 2, 1. So, ito yung unang alis ni Sam. Kung tama ako ng pagkakatanda. Ito yung hindi nalaman, nalaman na lang ni Clyde na aalis siya for Singapore, for New York Festival. Basta yun.
So please, as a mother, I'm begging you, stop the engagement. Emotions right now. He loves you so much. Ito naiintindihan ko.
Gets naman natin yung pinagdadaanan ng family nila, pero
So, sana po maintindihan niyo rin ako. Oo naman, I'll let you think about it. I have to go. I'm so sorry for driving.
ay,
I just want the best for my son. At alam ko yung
what if si Sam yung nagtago ng anak, no? What if lang naman? Grabe, nawiwindang ako. Kamusta ka, Sam?
next generation at pagtanda. What a shame na taxpayer money pa lang pinampaparty niya. Ang daming issue ng pamilyang to.
Nakaka-stress.
Ang chika ay nakatanato sa mansyon nila, pero hush-hush lang. Tulungan siya na mabagay, hindi sa Senado.
Well, this is the harsh reality if you're really a corrupt politician.
Patawad ang sarili ko.
So, yung anak yung magsasuffer kung ganyan yung karumi magtrabaho yung tatay or yung nanay or kung sino man yung nasa political. Kahit gano'ng kabuti nung anak nila, hindi makikita yun ng taong bayan. Not unless they experience
Pwede ba tayo
Yun.
mag-usap?
umiiwas siya dun sa issue. Like, ayaw na lang pag-usapan kasi alam ni Clyde na maghihiwalay sila. Gets nyo? Ito na, dito na magsisimula ang lahat ng pagiging cold. If,
It's more than I ever thought it would. Pero kailangan ko gawin to. Kahit ayaw ko, kahit masakit. This is for your own sake. For your future.
Alam kung totoong accident o sinadya.
oh my God. Like, everything. Hindi ko alam kung paano na-handle ni Naomi to. Okay, she tried to reach out pero ayaw makipag-compromise ni Clyde.
Naomi, this is your ate. Nandyan ka ba? Naomi, I'm your ate. And I'm going to take care of you.
Ito yung,
I never treated you as a
ito yung,
charity case.
ito yung pangit sa pamilya ni Sam. Like, lalo na yung nanay niya.
Naomi, I love you, okay?
Parang nung mga nakaraan lang, kinikilig tayo ngayon. Grabe yung pighati. Alam nyo, may susi naman sila sa mga ganito, di ba? Bakit laging walang susi?
Open the door. You don't understand because no one is talking shit about you for just being the daughter of your father. Tuwing nasa school ako, pinagtitinginan nila ako. And you're no different, Sam. You're looking looking at me with the same eyes. Naomi, and don't even try to sound like you understand. Nasa internet na yung pagmumukha ko. My mom's death was brought up. Bakit ba ito nangyayari sa akin? Why should I suffer? Hindi ko naman hiningi na mapanganak. I didn't ask for all of this, so why? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Grabe naman yung linyahan mo.
I deserve this. Namatay yung nanay ko dahil sa akin. I deserve this. Deserve ko to.
No, hindi mo deserve.
Naomi, it hurts. Why does it always hurt? I always feel sorry for living. Bakit ba kailangan ko mag-suffer kung gusto ko lang naman maging masaya? Dapat di na ako lumabas na kwarto ko. I should have stayed in my place. I shouldn't have hoped that things would get better. Naomi, sinubukan ko naman. I tried pleasing your parents.
Grabe yung pain niya. Like,
I even took
sobrang hirap to think na hindi naman niya ginustong mabuhay. Like, binuhay siya nung mommy niya.
Wala nang magandang nangyayari.
Pero hindi naman niya in-expect na mamamatay yung mommy niya agad. Wala siyang kakampi.
Everyone's lives. I could never be happy. It feels like a sin to be happy. Hindi na ba talaga ako pwede maging masaya, Sam?
Hindi na ba ako pwede maging masaya?
Naalala mo ba yung sinabi mo sa akin? You're worth more than what they say. Don't listen to her. You're worth more than what she said. So just focus on doing things for yourself, okay? Para silang alam sa buhay mo, Naomi. So let's fight back. Nandito na tayong dalawa lang.
True. Kung saan na kasi pinagkatiwalaan mo si Sam?
Stop. Stop making me hope again. Things never get better when namumuhay ako. Everyone around me will suffer. Please, Naomi. Please don't push me away. Diba sinabi ko naman sa'yo, whatever happens, I will always be here for you. And I'm not suffering because of you. No one is suffering because of you. Hope. Yes. Yes, hope. There is hope, Naomi. Sam, be free. Naomi, sumama ka na sa akin. I'm going to provide your needs. Trust me. I will do something so we can get through this without anyone's help. Ayaw ko pa sumama sa akin. Naomi, I won't leave here until you do. How's your sleep? Okay naman. Okay naman yung tulog ko, ate. Oh, that's good.
Hindi ko matandaan kung meron talagang scene nito na sumama si Sam. Si
I practiced a lot.
Naomi kay Sam.
Hindi ka lahat para makakain din mo.
Grabe, like, kumakanta yung pinsan ko. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig natin to. Pero, ito na.
So happy you're back here. Just feel at home, okay? You'll always have a home here. For letting me stay here, for everything you've done. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman na tratuhin na parang isang pamilya. Sana noon ko pa nalaman. Sana noon pa kita pinapasok sa buhay ko. You'll always have a family with me. You don't ever have to worry about that. You're the best sister in the world. Ikaw ko lang naman yung sister. Now that we're living together, we could do this more often in the future. What? By the way, can you please help me with my hair and makeup? Kasi, float at yung me. Of course. It's an honor to do your hair and makeup. Okay.
Ito yung mga base sa mga nababasa ko or napapanood ko, yung description nila sa blog. Parang hindi naman sa natutuwa sila, parang may satisfaction sila sa dugo. Ay, hindi ko alam bakit.
Hey, I love it. You're so good.
Yung details emergency at our various bonding games, including offer accounts tied to you. Meanwhile, rumors of an illegit
Bakit kasi kayo nanonood ng news? Akala ko ba vlog?
I'm going to
Bakit?
Okay, kailangan mo ba ng pera? Tigultin? No, I'm good. Don't worry about me. This is just the beginning for you. You're going to be a big star soon. Go then. You're already a star in my eyes. Lahat ng meron ako ngayon, this is because of you. Everything I do, you're part of it. Kaya nga ako nagkaroon ng confidence to be a model dahil din sa tulong mo eh. And when you become a bigger model soon, ikaw ang kukunin kong makeup artist and photographer. I wish. You're going to be a great model, even without me as your photographer and makeup artist. It's just a matter of time.
Uy,
Nagiging
wait.
confident ka na working with other photographers eh. At kung wala ako sa tabi mo,
Like, uy, wait lang.
isipin mo na lang na ako yung
Bakit namamaalam na dito siya, si Naomi, like,
kung wala ako sa audience at kinakabahan ka, isipin mo na lang na nandun ako at sumisigaw to cheer for you. I'll always be your number one fan, ate.
grabe. Alam nyo guys, ito yung antay ng mga office mates ko. Yung umiyak ako sa vlog ko. So, it's happening right now. It's so heavy.
Bye, ate. Ate! Goodbye. I'll see you later. Pwede na ba tayo mag-usap? Please.
I love you, Sam. No matter what, no matter when.
Sana all.
Hindi kita susuportin, pero ganun lang.
Ito yung mahirap talaga. Misconception with the father and the daughter.
I'll stay at my friend's house, ate. Wait na rin kasi. Don't worry about me.
Are you sure you're okay? Alam mo, pwede naman kita sunduin eh. Hello, Naomi. Are you still there?
Yes. I'm okay, ate. I want to hang out with my friends.
Ito wala siyang friends, diba?
Ganda ng mga bituin. The stars are so bright, ate. But they feel so far away. It's like they're shining. But I can never really reach nor touch them. I need to go, ate. Bye.
Okay. Enjoy your time there.
I love you, ate.
I love you too, Naomi. Hello, Naomi?
Ma'am, wala na po siya. Kagabi po, dito siya natulog. Tapos nung tatalayin ko po sana nung gusto niya namustan, nagpuan ko po siyang wala ng malay.
Anong wala?
Ma'am,
No way.
Fudge.
No way.
umahawag po ako ng ambulansya. Pero huli na po, ma'am. Hindi na lang po kami kasi naumi pagkarating.
I wanna go there. Where? To the moon. Or just beside it. I wanna be one of the stars.
Grabe naman nung episode na to.
I'm not sure.
So, ugly cry na naman tayo.
Thank you for making me happy, even for a short period of time. Ate,
Goodbye.
goodbye.
So guys, if you have friends who suffers from depression, anxiety, make sure na nandyan kayo for them. Make them feel na meron silang matatakbuhan whatever happens. Kasi baka at the end of the day, mag-regret lang kayo na hindi nyo sila tinulungan when they needed you the most.
If you're watching this, I don't know how it would sound less painful for you. Umiiyak ka man, stop it. Baka di ka makafocus sa sabihin ko, so, okay?
I'm sorry. I pushed you away a lot of times. All you wanted was to save me. So please stop acting like you care about me. I really care about you, Naomi. Hindi ko naman talaga ginustong masaktan ka or malayo sa'yo. What the hell's wrong with you? Thank you. Pero takot ako that being with me would be more painful for you. The death of my mom still lives inside me.
Ito yung mahirap kasi sinisisi niya yung sarili niya.
I have been living my life with nothing but pain.
A lot of times I compared myself to you.
Actually, I envied you. Gusto kong ikaroon ng lahat ng meron ka. Lagi kong iniisip nun na sobrang swerte mo because you have everything. Kaya galit ako sa'yo. I was such a lonely kid.
I had been suffering for so many years still.
Until that day, Kia. Never mo akong iniwan. Nandun ka for me when no one else was.
Yes, true.
Ikaw na nga naging mother figure ko eh. And I couldn't thank you enough for that.
Naomi, bakit mo ko pinayak ng ganda?
You're my only hope.
Kaya inuulit sa iyo sa nangyari. Please know that you did enough. You were more than enough. And at some
Diba?
I felt like I wanted to get through it. You made me stronger. Pero may times na magbe-breakdown pa rin ako, no matter how happy you. It's because of you. Don't blame yourself. Don't live like me.
That feeling is the feeling I had to bear for so many years. Please, live for yourself this time. Choose yourself kasi alam kong ubus ka na. Gawin mo yung gusto mo and be happy. Genuinely happy.
Naomi.
Sinasabi ko to ngayon, and I will never get tired of repeating this up there in the sky. I am so, so proud of you. I am now a star, and I will shine bright for you. Look up when you miss me, and look down when I miss you.
Grabe naman.
Hi, what's your name? Naomi. I'm Sam. Do you want to borrow? Here, you can play with her. You're so pretty too. Are you a model? I'm not, but someday I will be one.
Alam ko wala to sa book, but sobrang galing lang kasi naisip nila Direk Gino on how to start Avenues of the Diamonds. Like, nagkaroon ng backstory yung pagkikita ni Sam tsaka ni Naomi. Like, ang hirap lang.
Tinanong mo ako if I think there's fate there. I hope not. I hope there is none. And here too. I could only wish that you didn't leave. I love you. Live right the start.
Grabe ha. Direk Gino ha. Grabe yung iyak ko.
It was my choice not to tell you. Paano mo nalaman?
Your mom called. Told me to check up on you. You weren't answering her calls.
Sai, pwede na ba tayo mag-usap ngayon?
I can.
kasi hindi ka niya bibitawan.
I was using you. My mom told me to stay with you because we needed your family to save me. I had to hold on to you to secure my future. But now I've realized that I want to secure my own future without your help. I want to live for myself now.
Sa tingin mo maniniwala si Clyde yan sa'yo?
Use me then.
What?
Use me, I don't care, Sam.
Gamitin mo ako. Huwag mo na akong iwan, please. How can I use you when your father already took the inheritance away from you? I don't have a secured future with you anymore. I don't want you anymore. You're nothing without your family's money.
I'm nothing. Without my family.
Grabe naman kasakit tong episode na to. Huy!
So just go back where you belong.
Grabe. Ang dami nangyayari dito sa episode na to.
I mean everything I said.
I know that's a lie. You love me.
Woo! Woo!
Pa nakikita ang sarili mo doon. And it's not my fault anymore.
Wait. Kami mag-usap ulit tayo.
Woo! This episode makes my nose so red. Like guys, masakit tong part na to pero hindi ko maramdaman yung sakit kay Clyden. Sorry guys. Ang hirap kasi namatayan si Sam tapos nakipag-break siya kay Clyden. Parang, Sam, gano'n ka katibay girl. Like, Clyden, ba't ka ganyan? Ang hirap mag-let go.
Last night.
Yung mahiwagang singsing. Yung mga singsing na,
Magic.
alam nilang mahal nila yung isa't isa pero dahil sa sitwasyon, hindi sila pwede. Parang ayaw silang pagbigyan ng tadhana. Not today, not tomorrow, but in the near future. Parang ganun yung peg nila. Like, grabe. Ang hirap na ganito. Buti wala akong joke ganito. Nabayaman na kailangan kami paghiwalay ng parents. Char, parang may jowa. Ang hirap palang magbabay, no? Hindi ko kasi naranasan yung nagbababay. Uy! Sana naman, todo hagulgul na ako ngayon. Sa sunod na episode naman, pag-aanin natin yung episode na direct.
I'll be someone you can be proud of. It's either around love.
See you around, love.
Sir, patawarin niyo po ako sa
Alam nyo, hindi kasi na-film dun sa isa.
sa batang to. I didn't want this to happen. I didn't.
Gusto ko yung nagkaroon ng gantong side. Yung story.
I was just trying to teach her step and discipline in a way na akala ko makakabuti sa kanya.
Gusto ko yung nagkaroon ng gantong part. Kasi wala to sa book. Like, kung tama ako, sa pagkakatanda, hindi nun pinakita yung side ng story ng parents ni Sam. Like, hindi nun pinakita kung nagsisisi ba sila sa pagkawala ni Naomi.
Thank you for all the things you've done for me. But starting today, I'll do everything by myself. I won't follow you anymore. I won't follow the things you want anymore.
What are you saying, Maureen?
I'm saying that I'm not one of your possessions. I'm Samantha Vera. And I would create a name out there for myself.
Parang ito yung pinakamasakit
Mami,
na maririnig ng magulang yung galing sa anak nila. Like, hindi na ako related sa inyo. Kasi alam mo yung ginawa mo lang na, gets naman natin na ginawa lang ng family ni Sam for her, pero ang pagkakamali nila is mali. Mali yung the way kumpansa ako ng pera or something.
Dave,
Do I know you? I don't know. I can't remember.
Okay, ito yung first meeting nila.
You're right.
yeah, and nag-meet na rin tayo before. I guess, hindi mo na masyado naalala. But that's okay.
And that's the end of my reaction video for episode 10. Grabe yung iniyak ko. Like I've said, bago matapos to, yung part wherein nagkita si Maureen and si Maui and yung parents niya. Actually, hindi ko siya na-play. Nag-problem sa phone. Hindi ko na-play yung todo hagol-gol ko. Like, sabi ko, nandun kasi yung pighati ni nung mommy ni Maureen and yung tatay niya. Wherein, nagsisisi sila na hindi naman nila gustong mangyari kay Naomi yun. And, yun, lalo kay Miss Claudina part. Kasi parang na-miscalculated niya, or hindi naman miscalculate, na-miss niya talaga na hindi niya nakita na mangyayari yun kay Maureen. Though the harsh words were truly a stab sa puso ni Naomi, kaya ganun yung nangyari. And grabe guys, hindi ko kinaya itong episode na to. Obvious naman sa boses ko at sa ilong ko na namumula up until now. I hope if you're struggling through something, make sure na meron kayong makakapitan. If wala, humanap kayo ng makakapitan kasi that will be a big help and a life-changing. So, ayun, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!